so tonight I am back with this wig review from MyFirstWig. So I went ahead and picked up this wig from MyFirstWig. Obviously it's called the Vivian Malaysian Human Hair Ombre Lace Front Wig. So let me unbox this for you because this is what this video is about. It's unboxing. It's not with me styling it or anything as yet. So the box did come in a very beautiful packaging. I do love that, very much love that. And this is the wig. It came in a wig bag, which I think is very professional. You know, packaging is very much on point. When I did pick this wig up, they were having a $30 off, plus you got a wig kit for free. So in the wig bag tells me which wig I got. So well, here it doesn't say it's the Vivian Malaysian wig, but it does detail with my order number. The texture I got was silky. It's a 16-inch and the color is a number 2 and 5D, and my cap average was a 21.5, 22.5. Thought I got like a part 2 cap 2 size. Anyhow, the cap construction was 5.5 with a part line of 360 lace front wig. The lace is medium brown as well. So they did sell these instructions, which is very handy if you did purchase something and you forgot what you actually got. They did send wig caps, which I thought I requested a dark brown, but I guess whatever. And they also, before I get to the wig, they also sent me some wig cares, because remember, my first wig is for beginners. So it has this little plastic pouch and it has quality for beginners. And in this little pouch it comes with the standard tail comb. These tail combs are very sturdy compared to the first time tail combs that you used to get. You see how thick it is? And they do send you some hairpins. That's if you want to pin the ear tabs. And these clips are so unique for when you are actually applying the wig, if you're using the Got To Be glue gel or using the ghost bond gel. So onto the star of the show. And this is the wig. It comes in this hairnet, which, you know, we always get rid of that. But this, I always keep these around to put the wig in, just to keep it in check, in place. And this is the wig. So let me back up a bit. Not too much, but yeah, this is the wig. Off the back, the coloring is very beautiful. This is a change for me trying this color. In the front it has this ombre in the front. I think the coloring is pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I think it should be pre-plucked, but I guess I will have to go in and pluck it a bit more. Also, the cap construction on the inside, it did come with the elastic, but not the elastic band, the band for adjustment if you want, which it's sewn on here, so you can just simply hook it in on the cap. Also, it came with, oh wow, it doesn't come with a crown, a comb in the crown. That is, yeah, that's different. So it has 2 combs on the ear tabs, which is nice. I normally remove these anyhow, and I only keep the one that's in the nape. It also has an elastic, not elastic, it also has an adjustable strap in the back. But the hair is very soft. I'm very excited to wear this, especially in the Christmas time. This would be perfect for me. I do love the color. The color is beautiful. Even though the ombre, how they did this, the ombre, I like how it's not blunt. It just falls, it just fades right in. You see how faded it is? Some of the colors are normally blunt going straight across, which I don't really like that. But this one is actually really perfect. Like, this is very beautiful. Very beautiful. So I will be back on a video. Oh, I forgot to get into the shipping. Shipping took about, I think it was like 4 days to get to me. So shipping wasn't bad. I think it was like 4 to 5 days, which wasn't bad at all, I have to say. Price point, it wasn't that bad with the $30 off. In total, with the discount, I paid, let me see how much I paid for this baby. I paid in total for this $220 $12, which to me it's not bad because you're getting it custom colored. The lace front is already pre-plucked, plus you got this wig bag and you got your little kit here with every essential that you need. So I think it's quite price friendly. And just keep in mind, I did pick this up in a 16-inch. I will leave the link down below for you guys, and I also will be back with a installation video for you guys. Right now my hair is in braids, so that's why I can't actually put it on to show you guys, but the hair is beautiful. It's soft. Running my fingers through to do the hair test, I have no shedding, which is amazing. Like seriously amazing. Like no shedding at all. So definitely worth that. So until next time guys, love you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Be safe.